Hello Drafting 10 students. I want to use this tutorial today to show you how the mirror tool works. Now this is not a particularly complicated drawing, but let's pretend for an instant that this white object is something that I want to mirror straight down, and then I'm going to use this same pattern going vertically as well as going at a 270 degree and also straight across. That'll make a bit more sense when we actually get into it. The yellow lines are just representing some reference lines, some construction lines I've drawn. So the way that the mirror tool works is it allows you to copy something and basically flip it like a mirror image depending on which line you choose. The first thing you do is I select the objects that I want to mirror, so I want these two white lines to be mirrored. Then I select the mirror tool, which looks like two triangles back to back, and then what it asks me for is the first point of the mirror line. So if I want to copy these two lines below this yellow line, the yellow lines can be my mirror line, so all I've got to do is click 2 points on that line and then hit space. Then I can copy the entire object and mirror the entire thing over this way or up or down or wherever else I want. So now I've mirrored it down, so I can guarantee that the length of these two lines is the same, the length and angle of these two lines are the same, based on this reference line in yellow. Now I'm going to grab everything and mirror the whole thing again. Except this time, I'm going to use this line for a mirror point. So I'm going to start here. Select my objects. I'm going to mirror them based upon this line. So if I mirror this object on the left based on a vertical line, what it's going to do is it's going to swap exactly what I have selected to the other side of the line. So I click the second point, and it looks like nothing's happened, but it's just a multi-step tool. So you have to hit spacebar one more time, and there it is. And you can do the same thing, going up or down, left or right. So if I mirror this guy at an angle, try to get the right angle here. You can also go up and down. So that's how you use the mirror tool. If I wanted, I could mirror anything. So I'll just select this entire thing just to show you an example. Mirror. If I want to mirror this up, I'll just use a horizontal line. And then I've mirrored the entire thing. So it's a handy way of drawing objects that look the same on all sides. That's the mirror tool.